Okay, we are headed to Bisbee, Arizona. Okay, we're heading out today, getting ready to head to Wilcox, Arizona. Beautiful sky up above. A little bit of wind coming up, which concerns me because we could have some issues driving on the way to Wilcox. Fortunately, the wind's coming out of the west. Now I'm breaking things down. Usual stuff. My sewer hose isn't quite long enough, so I gotta put the extension on just to dump the sewage. Well, we switched from the 2-ply to the 1,000 single-ply, which we hate. That toilet paper sucked in. But the sewerage drained a whole lot easier. I almost said sewerage. That's a word from I picked up in Louisiana. I thought they were just saying it wrong. Got my Starlink I couldn't put up on the back because of a tree branch. A tree branch was hanging right over where Starlink would have hooked up. I need to lower that one bracket or raise that one, something, because it's just perfect to where it catches on the clips. Starting to see more and more of these dishes everywhere you go. So, I brought in the slides, engine's running, and now I go around and I check everything, make sure that the jacks are up and all the doors are locked. See, the jack is up and the slide is in even. The doors are locked. The slide is in even. Slide's in even. But lock the doors. Don't want one of these flying open on the way down the road. And now I gotta unhook the electricity, put the cable in here, and then we are really pretty well ready to go. Back up and scoot in. You probably don't need to film all this. Everybody's sick of it.
Continue on I-10 for 63 miles.
Okay, we're pretty used to this Willcox campground. We ran into town and got some groceries, but it's kind of windy out, a little chilly. We're only 330 feet higher in altitude than Tucson, but the temperatures are definitely cooler. Okay, we are headed to Bisbee, Arizona. It's an old historical mining town, and we've been wanting to go there, but we knew that it was closer to Wilcox than it was to Tucson. So we'll take you along and show you around. See if we find anything interesting.
That's the said Bonita Cheese Company, pinto beans.
That's crazy. You can't even begin to see all those cows. I mean, how many cows are in there? Jeez. Dairy cattle. Oh no, I'm not going to. Look how far back those cows go. This Coronado dairy south of Wilcox is absolutely amazing. They bought it in 2015 for $38 million. But since then, they bought the surrounding 6,474 acres. So now they own nearly 51,000 acres, spending more than $180 million, nearly all of it in cash. This dairy farm has 70,000 Jersey Cross heifers, young cows that have not been lactated. As you drive down this road, Kansas Settlement Road, you can go an entire mile and see nothing but them flicking tails. The barn's set back from the road, so you can't see it in this video, but they have another 7,000 dairy cows that are milked twice a day. At night, they have powerful floodlights that illuminate this feedlot, which has been ruining the dark skies. They are draining so much water out of the water table that all the surrounding wells have had to be made deeper. This dairy farm has removed 6.2 million acre feet of groundwater from the Wilcox Basin, lowering the aquifer by 200 to 300 feet. This dairy farm produces approximately 60 million gallons of milk each year.
Look at all the old tour buses.
Well, we made it to Bisbee. So far, it's an old town. We're gonna go to a restaurant and get something to eat. But I wanted to show you, it's an old mining town. This is pretty amazing. Look at this. Check out this mine. I'm through the fence, sorry. It's huge. Look at that road going up the other side. That's what the trucks have to drive on to get the ore out of there. Go up that road.
Yo de lejos como una niña, le hice toque suizo, homie. Pero en la cama nos comíamos y sabemos que eso era más que un hobby. A veces que tiene la táctica, pero yo tenía la técnica. Solamente te hacía llorar. Yo en la cama te ponía a gritar. Pero se perdió el interés. No es lo mismo sin mí, eso tú lo sabes. Y en la cama no llevábamos re bien. Por mano siempre fue mero guisar. Por eso se perdió todo el interés. No es lo mismo sin mí, eso tú lo sabes. Y en la cama no llevábamos re bien. Por mano siempre fue mero guisar. Llevo los recuerdos tuyos como un souvenir. Hay cosas tan reales que se tienen que decir. Amor no es solo un verbo, se tiene que sentir. Y si es para meterlo no necesito mentir, yeah. A ti es un juego a lo Atari. Siempre andas en casa por tu idea flow safari. La dueña del circo cuando entras en el...
This is a German chocolate pie. Killer Bee Wild Desert Honey. Hello.
All right, you guys are good. Have a good day.
You too.
No?
Yeah, that's where he's going.
Oh.
All right, we had a good time over there at Bisbee, Arizona. It was nice, and I got myself a little present. I've been wanting a bolo tie. This one has silver ends, which I like. It's really nice. It's got a nice stone on it. I've been shopping for one of these for a long time. It was a little pricey, but it was the one I wanted.